happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys like wellness videos, beauty care, what else do I do? If you guys like wellness videos, beauty care, cooking videos, vlogs, as well as skincare, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me again. As you guys can see, today I am featuring my fiance.
Yeah, boy, yes.
No, you're supposed to tell them your name.
Oh. DJ PJ. Beep, 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 beep.
No. Can you stop this DJ PJ?
Right.
You're not DJ PJ.
I am DJ PJ.
Okay, DJ PJ. Tell them your real name. Okay, guys, this is...
Pieter J with
This is my fiance Pieter, guys.
Yeah.
Let's just keep it simple. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a man's facial from start to finish. Also going to be showing you guys all the products that I use, and I'm going to be explaining all the important benefits of each product and each step that I will be doing. Also going to be doing extractions of the nose. Yeah, I know that's going to be pretty gross, but I'm actually pretty excited because... yeah, you need it. So I can't wait to get started. Let's get into it. You excited?
Very.
Join us. Now, the first thing that I do is cleanse his face using normal baby wipes. And these baby wipes have aloe vera on them, so I absolutely love them. But I do have to put out a disclaimer before I forget, you guys. I am not a beautician or an esthetician. This is just how I treat my man to a facial. And I will be including all the 6 important steps to doing a perfect facial. Why are your lips so dry?
It's winter. And everything is just dry.
Oh, really? Okay. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. And I just can't hide.
Alright. Now that I'm done cleansing you.
Is it dirty?
Actually, it's not dirty. Look, guys. Just a little bit there, I think it was. Next up, you want to open up the pores by adding some steam, and you can either choose to do it the traditional way of using a bucket with warm water, or you can be fancy schmancy like me, because Pieter actually spoiled me to the steamer, you guys, from Sobe, and it is actually so amazing. And you want to do this for at least 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that your pores are open. After 10 minutes, his face was really wet, so I knew it was time for us to move on to the next step.
So what's next?
I'm going to exfoliate.
Okay.
To exfoliate, I'm using a man's face scrub exfoliator, which has aloe vera, which is my favorite product, you guys. I will always use a product that has aloe vera. If it has aloe vera on it, be assured I will be buying it. And you just want to massage this all over his face just like this, and make sure that you are removing every dead skin on his face. Really? And the moment that you guys have been waiting for, or the moment that some of you will be dreading, the extraction part. I don't know, you guys. I don't know how I feel about this. I really do not mind extracting his pimples on his nose or literally anywhere on his body. Like, that's just me. And you could be like me, or this could absolutely gross you out. And I know I did a little bit of damage because of my nails, and I'm so sorry, babes. Honestly, you guys, I think it's best to just use earbuds instead of just popping it with your nails, because his nose was so red and it absolutely felt so bad. But we needed to get those bad boys out, so let's take a look.
Oh, yo, babe.
No. Look at that, you guys. Ugh. Is it better with the earbuds?
Maybe a little, not that much.
There's like these stubborn ones that are just refusing to come out. And there's two of them. I don't know if I must use tweezers or what. Look, guys, these ones, they don't want to come out. There we go. Look at that big blackhead. Oh my goodness. Baby, it is so big. Ugh. Ugh. It's like it's refusing to stick.
Yo, babes.
Sorry, baby.
Eee.
Sorry, love.
Yo, I'm like crying, yeah.
I'm sorry. His nose was very irritated at this point, you guys. It got so red, as you guys can see, but I hope you can see the little holes. That is where all the blackheads and the little whiteheads were hiding, and we got those bad boys out. So now it was time to clean him up and tone his face using refreshing toner. I'm using this toner to tighten and close his pores. Toners are also good to prevent ingrown hairs, you guys. So for a man, this is like a product that you want to encourage him to use. And I'm going to be doing this twice using 2 different cottons. So basically, you don't want to transfer any impurities that could be left on the previous cotton. So I always do this step twice. Toners are a good way to hydrate your skin, and certainly before this step, which is probably Peter's favorite step of this whole facial, a face massage. Now to massage, this will sound crazy, but I'm using coconut oil and it works so well because the mask that I'm going to put next normally dries out Pieter's skin, and I find that putting the coconut oil first and then removing it nourishes his skin. I'm using two methods, and method number one will be with this weird looking massage device from Safeway, and I will be using this all over his face. This is the first time that I'm trying it on him, so I am really interested to find out what he thinks. Is it so?
Yeah, it's a bit on the bone. It is a bit soft.
I'm just trying to get as much blood circulation on your face as possible just before we do the mask, you know what I mean? Method number two is a traditional way of giving just a normal face massage using your fingers to allow the blood to flow in circular motions by just pressing on his face like that. And I'm also allowing his muscles to relax, as you guys can see. How clean it is, guys. Nothing. Now to add my mask, I'm using a bentonite clay mask. This is a volcanic mask that I got at Oregon Green, and I absolutely swear by this mask. I've been using it literally for years, and I'm just adding 1 teaspoon with a little bit of water. I would say not even 1 tablespoon, I would say, of water, and I just mixed it all up, and I'm using a makeup brush to apply it. This is just a makeup brush that I use for all my facials, and that's all I'm doing is putting it all over his skin. You really need to cut your hair. Like, this is disturbing me. Does it feel soothing?
Problems. It's a bit cold.
Yeah, then it's feeling soothing. Yo, you must really treat your skin, brother.
No.
You know I'm here to do it.
No, but if you don't say babe scum, then...
Oh, so I must not only do it, but also prompt
also,
to do it.
yeah,
No.
remind me to do it.
No, then you don't care that much. I do a facial weekly. Angel, now I will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye. I'm just kidding. Right now we're going to give it about, I would say 30 minutes or until it is completely dry, and then we can rinse it off. Love you.
Love you.
I'll check you later.
Are you gonna make us lunch?
Well, what lunch do you want actually?
Oh, salami would be nice.
Okay, I'll make you some lunch.
Alright, so please like and subscribe to the video.
You got it? You look like a cartoon eating. Are you done eating already?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I do think it's time to wash.
Can you wash the mask?
Yeah, we can actually wash it off. Look, it's dry, but I think because you were eating, you kind of cracked it.
Probably.
So if you were still Pieter the whole time, then you probably would have had just a normally full dry, but you guys can clearly see it's definitely dry. Now this is an optional step, you guys, but I love this mask because it has tea tree oil, hazel, as well as vitamin C, which brightens the face. And obviously it is a cleansing mask for spot and oil control, but because I have already used a clay mask, which pretty much, like I said, dries out Pieter's skin, I'm deciding to use this mask just as a final cleanser to make sure that he is absolutely clean and ready to get moisturized. And the last and final step is to moisturize, and always find a moisturizer that has SPF 15 because that protects you from the sun. And obviously I love this brand because it's for men and it's got the magical ingredient of aloe vera. So obviously you just want to put this all over your face to make sure that your man is nice and smelling good, honey. Yes. Pump up your cheeks like there's a lot of air in. And let go. Pump up your cheeks. And let go. Pump up your cheeks. And let go.
Why did you do that?
Because that allows your muscles to relax, baby.
Oh.
It's a facial exercise.
Oh, okay.
Pull them together. And we're done. How do you feel, baby?
Like a brand new man.
You look amazing.
Do I?
Yeah, I'm gonna actually kind of show them a close-up of your skin. What are you doing?
Posing.
Oh, okay. You guys can see there's quite a bit of glow on his skin. His skin looks very, very nourished as compared to when we first started. And unfortunately, we have lost lighting because it's no longer daylight. But I hope you guys can see the difference.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you did like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm sure Belinda would love you guys to join us on all the other videos coming up. And why don't you rate this video 1 out of 10 in the comments? I love the facial. I think I look 10 years younger and I needed it. So, love you guys, and we'll check you next time.